Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use UPBASE for energy sector project management. First, you'll need to set up your project in UPBASE. This involves creating a new project, naming it, and setting its parameters, such as start and end dates, budgets, and resources. This is crucial because it allows you to clearly define what your project is about and what it needs to succeed. Now that we've done that, let's move on to adding team members. You'll find this option under the Team tab. Here, you can add everyone who is involved in the project. This is essential as it ensures everyone has access to the project information and can collaborate effectively. Next up, let's look at task assignments. In the Tasks tab, you can assign tasks to your team members, set deadlines, and track progress. This helps us because it allows us to delegate responsibilities and ensure everyone knows what they're supposed to be doing. After tasks are assigned, it's time to set up your project's timeline. You can do this using the timeline feature. This will show you a visual representation of your project's timeline, including when tasks are due and how they overlap. The reason we do this is to get a macro perspective of the entire project flow, so we can manage time and resources effectively. Lastly, let's explore the Reporting tab. Here you can generate reports that show your project's progress, budget usage, and more. This is a crucial feature because it provides concrete data that you can use to evaluate your project's performance and make necessary adjustments. So there you have it. By setting up your project, adding team members, assigning tasks, creating a timeline, and generating reports, you can effectively use UPBASE for energy sector project management. Remember, the key is to make sure that every step and feature aligns with your project's goals and requirements. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in our next tutorial.